Birds, Part 1. Crow. A crow attacked me while I was walking. Pigeon. Pigeons poop everywhere. They're really annoying. Duck. I saw some baby ducks at Kamogawa in Kyoto. Eagle. Eagles are powerful birds. Falcon. Can you fly as fast as a falcon? Goose. Goose feathers are often used in pillows. Ostrich. The ostrich is chasing us. Run! Owl. Owls are depicted as clever birds in stories. Parrot. This parrot can say hello. Penguin. Penguins enjoy cold weather. Ready, go. Crow, pigeon, duck, eagle, falcon, goose, ostrich, owl, parrot, penguin.